Uptown Swing.
My name's Jeremy.
And I'm Maddie.
And we taught level 1 together.
6 count. Today we went over Frankie Sixes again, really cleaned it up, you guys did great, and we added the stop and shake at the end. The stop and shake just by itself looks like rock, step down, shake your butt, stomp off. You guys did awesome. We talked a little bit about how that fills out the phrase, we danced it to music, everything was wonderful. Then we did a different kind of tuck turn, this one in open position, and we're turning on the spot. It looks like this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
For practice followers, if you want to get better at that turn, we had that exercise where we pretended we had that hula hoop on the ground and you do a rotational rock step. Do-ga-da. And remember that triple step, rock, step, triple, go, triple step.
Yeah, remember all the tips we gave you about Frankie Sixes. See you next week.